Wow, this is Omabala in December. You can see the site is breathtaking. You can see activities going on. That's a dredger there. They are dredging sand. Dredgers excavating sand to the shore for onward distribution. You can see trucks being loaded for onward distribution to the owner, and that's good money. If you're thinking of an investment, this is a good one, a very good one. Wow, just take a look. Omabala in December. It's breathtaking. This is a speedboat. If you're also thinking of investment, you can decide to buy a speedboat and people can use. These are locally made outboard engines. This is a big one. This takes people as far as Odeke, Asoma in Kogi State, where they go to buy rice and fish and other things. You can see that very massive one there. That one goes as far as Bayelsa State, where they trade in locally made gin known as Kai Kai, which is quite popular here. In fact, these are investment opportunities for anybody who wants. Just take a look at the whole scene. During rainy season, this site is breathtaking. When the whole place is lush green. Wow. Let's just view and enjoy this. This is my, Christmas gift to all my fans and followers on Facebook, my family members, my friends. This is for you. If you're thinking of investments, you can come down to Aguleri as a world of opportunity for you to invest. The dredging business is one. The owners of these beaches smile to the banks every day. These are great opportunity. From here onward, you can go to Onitsha, get to the River Niger through here. This is in continuation of our, program which you enjoy. All Agulerians, all my friends, home and diaspora, you all enjoy this. It's still sights and sound of Aguleri. This is Christmas cereal for you. I'll be doing more of this. But coming very soon is a grand thing to be shot on a cinema cam, professionally done by Village Square Pictures, to be handled by a seasoned DOP Obago. We are all going to enjoy this when it comes out. It's going to be world class. I love world class. That's always what I look out for. And I see Aguleri as a world class tourist destination. Please support this grand project. Support us. Contact me. I believe in this project. It can take all of us far. Contact me. We need sponsorship. Sponsor this documentary that is in the making very soon. Sponsor it. You can always contact me on my number 070 37 22 22 38. It's going to be a world-class documentary. Premiere very soon. I wish us all an amazing Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Till we come again, still enjoy the views, enjoy the beauty.